Rep Term is an immersive, creative experience where students are able to put all of their energy into creating 2 major productions, doing multiple jobs, multiple roles in both productions, as well as being part of the rehearsal process in order to make this happen. I have been doing theater here for 4 years, and I was able to use a lot of the skills that I learned from those past 4 years in Rep Term, and this is actually the reason why I came to Knox. I was looking for a theater program that had some kind of hands-on elements to it, but having something that was very worked into its curriculum as a theater major was really important to me. So then when I saw Rep Term and the fact that this is the only undergraduate program that has a repertory experience, it really called to me. I was co-production manager. I was also the head of the dramaturgy crew, which is the theater research, and I was stage manager for She Kills Monsters, as well as assistant director for She Kills Monsters, and I was acting in Antigone as Eurydice. It's a lot of work, and it's so much fun. It is just amazing work that we're able to do, but it is a lot of effort that people are putting into those productions, and I think that's really important to see because that's what a professional setting looks like in theater, and it really does help prepare you for, your future. When we came out with the shirts that say Rep Term XX on it, it was like, whoa, this is real. Like, we're contributing to this long line of rep terms that have been happening for 40 years. It was scary, but it was also really rewarding because it felt like we were part of something bigger. It really does make you feel like you're a building block in our department's history, and that we are helping to create something that will move past us.